Okay, so starting out for breakfast, I'm actually just gonna make a breakfast sandwich. So I just have a slice of turkey bacon. This is just 1 egg with some cheddar cheese. And I'm gonna put this on one side of the bread. Just some cream cheese. And this is the bread I'm using. And then I'm going to make a coffee along with that. Okay, so I'm gonna make some iced coffee. And this is the last of this one. I have the regular roast right now, and I'm gonna use the sugar-free coffee creamer. And there's my coffee. Okay, so here's my sandwich and my coffee. And that is breakfast. Take 2 of these every morning. They're the only ones that I can take. I don't know, I can never take the real big ones for some reason. So these are my prenatal vitamins. And then I'm starting on, this is a ½ gallon of water. So I'm starting on that. And I like to drink 2 of these a day. Okay, so I'm out running errands. I had to pick up my glasses. And I still need to go get some things for our nursery. I'm gonna eat these pop chips, and this is so weird. These little Rice Krispie treats. So I'm gonna eat that and drink some water and then keep going on with errands. Okay, so here's my lunch. This is just leftover ravioli and some turkey, ground turkey meat with some marinara sauce. We had this for lunch yesterday, so I'm going to have some, and then my daughter's going to have some as well. And I'm still working on my water, and we were running around, so I'm pretty hungry. I'll probably finish this. This time of the day is when I'm most hungry, so I did finish the pasta, and I'm still really hungry, so I take about half of this and lighten cookies and cream. I heated up one of these brownie Fiber One bars. And then I just put like a little bit of peanut butter in here, so if you can see it. So I'm gonna eat that, and hopefully I'm full. I'm gonna drink a lot more water, but yeah, this is the time when I'm super, super hungry. It's around lunchtime, so I'm gonna finish that. About 4 o'clock, and this is gonna be my snack. So I'm gonna have one of these tortillas. They're just flour tortillas with some honey, about 1/4 of a banana, and then just some cinnamon. I'm gonna roll it up and heat it in the microwave for probably 10 seconds. And then I wanted some celery, so this is just 2 stalks of celery, and then a serving of this dip. This is Opadippity, and it's Greek yogurt dip. It's cucumber dill, and this one is super, super good with any veggies. So that's gonna be my afternoon snack. Okay, so for dinner, I'm gonna make some Kodiak pancakes, well, waffles. This is a chocolate chip pancake mix, and I measured about 1/2 cup, so I'm going to make a couple of waffles, and then I will use the sugar-free syrup. And I don't know, it's just been sounding good. Breakfast for dinner just sounds really good right now. Okay, so here's dinner. So it was like 1 big waffle and 1 small one. And then I'm going to drink, this is like 32 ounces. So I did finish 1/2 gallon, and then this will probably be it for water. But this is approved by my OB, and it's just like, if you ever had greens before, this is what it is. And it does taste really good. It tastes like apple cinnamon, I think. But so I'm going to drink that, and there is dinner, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have anything else, but we'll see. Okay, so it's about 7:30, and I just want something, just a little something before I go to bed. So I'm going to have this fruit and nut grain bar. This is just from Walmart, so I'm going to have this, and that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And I enjoy making these videos as far as like what I eat in the days. Even when I'm not pregnant, I like to do them. So yeah, let me know if you like them, and I will see you next time. And definitely, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye.